City. Sa dami ng mga bisita, I could only thank you enough. Not so much kasi I don't know really how to express our gratitude for all of you here this evening. Before I made all things possible, to God be the glory.
Some of the teachers are here also under the leadership of our principals, Dr. Edel Cabulay, Mrs. Mirna Benito, and Glenda Hindam. So these are...
If we can only give more, in order for them to use their multiple intelligences, we will do that. Okay, to the contestants, winning is not everything. The fact that you are welcome here to represent your school, I can say that we are already winners. No win or lose, you should consider this experience one of the best parts of your life.
Jasmine. Actually, advice to one. Mary Jeremy Raton, Paulo Pasaro, Ana Patricia Nicole Jagger, Vincent Stephen Walden, Patricia Joy Serrano, Dennis M. Fajardo, Gabriel Reyes Dizon, Eliza Mini Cruz, Jeremy Cedar, Sharon May, is there a health campaign in your community? Spell the word campaign. Is there a health campaign in your community? Spell the word campaign. Yes. Rosa, hold on to your answer, don't bring them down yet. So the correct answer is, there we go. Okay, just hold them up. We'll show your answer to your parents. Please hold them back to me. Okay, let's study your answers. Number 1 correct. Number 2 correct. Number 3 correct. Number 4 correct. Number 5 correct. Number 6 correct. Number 7 outside of the laws are conventions of a group. Renegade. A renegade is somebody who chooses to live outside of the laws or conventions of a group. Spell the word renegade. Go. Goes up. So your answer to your parents. So go back to me. The correct answer is 8 wrong, number 4 wrong, number 5 correct, number 6 Peter. Mommy, can you hear me out there? Can you understand me? Our art teacher requires us to submit a personality collage. Spell the word collage. Our art teacher requires us to submit a personality collage. Thumbs up. Show your answer to your parents, please. So the balcony, the correct answer is, there you go. Number 1 correct, number 2 no answer, number 3 correct, number 4 correct, number 5 correct, number 6 correct, number 7 wrong, number 8 correct, number from Australia. Souvenir. My friend gave me a souvenir from Australia. Go. What's up? Show your answers to your parents. Parents, please. They show them back to me. The correct answer is on the screen. Number 1 correct, number 2 wrong, number 3 wrong, number 4 wrong, number 5 correct, number 6 correct, number 7 wrong. The beauty and cleverness of the competitors will fascinate everyone when the contest begins. Spell the word fascinate. The beauty and cleverness of the competitors will fascinate everyone when the contest begins. Spell the word. Words up. So your answer to your parents. Parents. So your answer to your parents. So your answer to me. The correct answer is
Baliktad.
number 1 correct, number 2 correct, number 3 correct, number 4 wrong, number 5 wrong, number 6 wrong, number 7 correct, number 8 correct, number 9 wrong, number 10 correct. The written or printed list of questions is called a questionnaire. Spell the word questionnaire. The written or printed list of questions is called a questionnaire. So, thumbs up. Show your answer to your parents. Show them back to me. The correct answer is, let's finish. Your number 1 correct, number 2 wrong, number 3 wrong, number 4 wrong, number 5 wrong, number 6 wrong, number 7 is argument or disagreement. Spell the word dispute. A dispute is parents. Show them back to me. The correct answer is number 1 correct, 2 wrong, a peach. Be tried to appease the crying child by giving him candy. Spell the word appease. Go. Words up. Show your answer to your parents. Show them back to me. The correct answer is on the screen. There you go. Number 1 wrong, affiliate. You may affiliate yourself with an organization if you are qualified. Spell the word affiliate. Go. So answer to your parents. So them back to me. The correct answer. There we go. Number 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct, 4 correct, 5 correct, Sixth word is bivouac. The soldiers made a bivouac for let me try that again. Bivouac. The soldiers made a bivouac for the night in the fields. Spell the word bivouac. The soldiers made a bivouac for the night in the fields.
Hindi nila alam.
Bivouac. Go. Good job. Show your answer to your parents. Show them back to me. We have the correct answer on the screen. Correct answer, please. There we go. Bivouac. A sentence having more than one possible meaning is ambiguous. Ambiguous. A sentence having more than one possible meaning is ambiguous. Spell the word ambiguous. Go. What's up? Show your answer to your parents. Show them back to me. The right answer is, there you go. Number 1 wrong, 2 wrong. We have the word anxiety. My mother's anxiety triggered when my baby brother got sick. Spell the word anxiety. My mother's anxiety triggered when my baby brother got sick. Spell the word anxiety. Go. What's up? So your answer to your parents. Show them back
Ay,
to
mali
me.
siya. Tinangkay. Ay, may katay si Gab, number 8. Tay sila ng first.
Yung number 8 ang nunalo.
Break the tie between pencil number 5 and number 8.
Alisa, your number in the map.
Are you ready now? Okay.
Okay.
Here is
Then in the science
the nature word. So we have the same time limit 20 seconds. And starting with lights. The one who gets the correct answer will be declared the winner or the champion. And the other one will be declared second place. Alright, here we go. The teacher word is facade.
Yes.
Please, please. So the first word is facade. The owner of the building decided to demolish from the inside, leaving the old facade out for a while. Spell the word facade. The owner of the building decided to demolish from the inside, leaving the old facade out for a while. Go. What's up? Show your answer to your parents. Show them back to me. As you all see, they both got the correct answer. Jeopardy. We put our life in jeopardy when we ignore the danger signs on the road. Jeopardy. We put our life in carefully when we ignore the danger signs on the road. Stubborn, jeopardy. Go. What's up? So your answer to your parents? The right answer not me. Second place. Congratulations, students, and congratulations, parents and students. This is for our spelling in level 4. Good morning.
The third placer, contestant number 5, first placer, and contestant number 8, second placer. Come here. You tell us your name, your English teacher, your branch. Okay? Have the first place winner. First place.
Ayun, sarap.
Really say Teacher Laria Kino. I'm from Canada.
Yan yung nag-first dati.
I'm Frederick Michael R. Evermore. My teacher is Teacher Blanche. And I'm from
Right.
I'm Francis Alvos. My teacher is Teacher Mario. And I'm from Amplify.
Parents, you can join the...
What do you call the framework of the human body made up of bones that support the body so that you can stand, walk, run, and play? A. Muscles. B. Skeleton. C. Cartilage. D. Vertebrae. I repeat the question. What do you call the framework of the human body made up of bones that support the body so that you can stand, walk, run, and play? A. Muscles. B. Skeleton. C. Cartilage. D. Vertebrae. Go. Bones up. Number 1, B. Number 2. Okay, number 1, B. Number 2, B. All the changes undergone by insects before they look like their parents. A. Metamorphosis. B. Photosynthesis. C. Chrysalis. D. Reproduction. I repeat. What do you call the changes undergone by insects before they look like their parents? A. Metamorphosis. B. Photosynthesis. C. Chrysalis. A. Fertilization. B. Pollution. C. Germination. D. Pollination. I repeat. What do you call the first stage in the growth of a young plant from a seed? A. Fertilization. B. Pollution. C. Germination. D. Pollination. Go. Answers are 1C, 2C, 3C, 4C, 5. Question number 4. Santol and avocado are seeds. Santol and avocado are seeds with 2 seedlings. What term is given to these kinds of seeds? A. Embryo. B. Testa. C. Monocotyledon. D. Dicotyledon. I I repeat. Santol and avocado are seeds with 2 seedlings. What term is given 8D, 9D, 10D, 11D, 12D, 13D, 14C, 15D, 16D, 17D, and 18D? The correct answer is letter D, Dicotyledon. Parts of the flower. A. Corolla and stamen. B. Stamen and calyx. C. Stamen and pistil. D. Pistil and corolla. I repeat. What are the 2 reproductive parts of the flower? Is C, 4C, 5C, 6C, 7C, 8C, 9C, 10C, 11. Question number 1. What is the function of the bone marrow? A. To make the bones hard and strong. B. To produce new blood cells for the body. C. To connect the bone in the head to the neck. Letter D. It allows the small bones to slide over each other. I repeat. What is the function of the bone marrow? A. To make the bones hard and strong. B. To produce new blood cells for the body. 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, 9B, 10B, 11B, 12B, 13A, 14B. What happens to its molecules? A. Its molecules move fast. B. Its molecules join together. C. Its molecules move slowly. Letter D. Its molecules move near the heat source. I repeat the question. When the material is heated, what happens to its molecules? A. Its molecules move fast. 1B, 2A, 3A, 4B, 5B, 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A, 11A. LRT, elevator or escalators, are examples of energy in motion. What term is given to this kind of energy? A. Potential energy. B. Nuclear energy. C. Mechanical energy. D. Kinetic energy. I repeat. A moving LRT, elevator, or escalators are examples of energy in motion. What term is given to this kind of energy? A. Potential energy. 3C, 4C, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, 9B, 10B, 11C, 12C, 13B, 14B, 15B, 16B, 17B, 18B. The correct answer is letter D, kinetic energy. Question number 4. Which of the following is the correct stage of development of a mosquito? A. Egg, young mosquito, larva, adult mosquito, boy, 2 boy, 3 apple, 4 boy, 4 boy, 5 apple, 6 boy, 7 boy, 8 boy, 9 boy, 10 boy, 11 boy, 12 boy. Or it tells how moist the air is. A. Hygrometer. B. Thermometer. C. Wind vane. D. Barometer. I repeat. What weather instrument is used to measure the humidity or it tells how moist the air is? A. A. Hygrometer, B. Thermometer, C. Wind vane, D. Barometer. Go. Answers are 1 apple, 2 apple. No choices for this round. Number 1. How long does it take the moon to complete 1 revolution around the earth? I repeat the question. Wait for the word go. How long does it take the moon to complete 1 revolution around the earth? Go. Answers are number 1, 29.5 hours. And exactly the answer is number 1, 29.5 hours. Number 2, number 5, 1 not correct. Number 6, correct. Number 7, correct. Number 8, wrong. Number 9, correct. Number 9, I'm sorry, wrong. Number 10, correct. Number 11, wrong. Number completely. Number 2. What is a solar year equal to? I repeat the question. What is a solar year equal to? Go. Answers are, the correct answer is correct. Number 3, correct. Number 4, no answer. Number 5, no answer. Number 6, wrong. Number 7, wrong. Number 8, causes day and night. Go. Answers are, the correct answer is the rotation of the earth. Number 1, correct. Number 2, correct. Your teacher asked you to separate the mixture of dissolved salt and water. What method of separating a mixture should you use? I repeat. Your teacher asked you to separate the mixture of dissolved salt and water. What method of separating a mixture should you use? Go. Number 3, wrong. Number 4, correct. Number 5, correct. Number 6, correct. Number 7, correct. Number 8, correct. Number 9, wrong.
Sorry, chicken po. Tama yung feeling.
Oo.
Hindi mo mababago.
Unless ay pagpag mo ang utak mo. Hindi yata.
Ang ginagamit sa hinga.
Ay, yung digital.
Oo. Doon magaling siya. Siya taga-pawala. Hanggang.
Correct. 7, correct. 8, correct. 9, wrong. 10, correct. 11. Number 11.
Write the corresponding number beside the score. It's a 14. It's a 14. Oh, yes. All the winners. Okay, we already have first place winner and second place winner. We still have to break the ties among 1, 2, 3, 4. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 2, you are the first place winner. This time, face the audience. Okay. Contestant number 7 is the second place winner. Face the audience. You will introduce yourselves later after the clincher part for the
Teacher Adele, where are you? Teacher Adele, the one in charge of Karamba, parents as well. For your outstanding performance for school year 2004-2005. Yes, this morning, you look so relaxed. And it seems that getting this award, or if you want to do better, we should be competing. And in competing, it would entail expenses. But I can assure you,
public speaking contest district level. A gold medal for winning third place in the Department of Education's public speaking contest. Department of Education's Math Talino contest district level. Another gold medal for winning second place in the Department of Education's Math Talino contest division level, and another gold medal for winning third place in the Department of Education's Science Quiz Bee district level. I will now call the outstanding students of grade 4. Chelsea May M. Constantino, best in conduct. for winning second place in Science Brain Quest. Gold medal for winning second place in Department of Education, Science Quiz Bee district level. And another gold medal for winning second place in Department of Education, Science Quiz Bee division level.
Ganda-ganda ni Sophie. Hindi ka nga.
Smile na, hindi nagsasalita eh. Iiyak na.
Hindi. Iiyak. Ang kakaamot mo, tamot ay kakabagyan na.
Hindi, nakakaya ka rin. Gusto ko dali sa dagat eh. Kuha na yung mga yun dun eh. Hindi kaya lang baka sabihin nyo. Wala ka.
Ah. Kayo. Pwede ba po? Sumahay. Ate, sakay pa tayo.
Pero mamaya.
Baka po tatay kasi mamaya alis po tayo. Wala na yan. Ay, punta po tayo doon sa Burkina.
Kita ba ho ito?
I-adjust nyo po yung ibabaw. Yung pong ibabaw.
Ba, masarap yun oh. Iikot kayo.
Kita nyo?
Oo.
Malapitan.
Nasusumpo. Yun. Ay, siya nga. Ang galing. Wala na yung ano nila, umbrella nila. Tinanggal na. Oh, kasi may itatangay ng hangin.
Hindi lang naka-close up ng close up.
Ito. Kasi maano yung maaraw. Parang
May lalapit ka.
Kilala, pero hindi rin siya kita ang mukha. Hindi rin kilala.
hindi, maliliit din ang mukha.
Hanapin ko yung anak ko.
Kita ba bro? Kita?
Nakakatuwa na. Oo. Punta dito ang araw. Malilipat na lang tayo.
Tangkita ko kayo. Doon kayo nagpunta doon.
Oo, doon. Nilargabista ko doon.
Ay, ba? Hindi ko namin yan.
Tangkita. Layo, may isang 2 kilometro. Ano yan? Beta isa? Pero ang ganda, wala na. Traffic. Kasi maraming tumatawid.
Yung alente niya.
Who's there? Tae. Tae. Kumain ka na nga. Kulit-kulit mo. Napapatae ka na nga eh. Baro G's. Knock, knock. Wala. Okay.
Madali na madali.
Who's there?
Madali siya naman dito sa pool eh.
Huwag mo akong barilin. Dahil ikaw babarilin ko. Kasi gamitin ko si yan. Luxie. Shot!
Mami, nandun. Saan si Mami?
Who's there? Kidnapper. Kidnapper. Paparil kita. Bigyan mo sana ng pera mo. Kidnapper ako eh.
Ang membro yan eh.
Okay, ako naman.
Oras na? Medyo na, nagkakaan na yata.
Hoy, tara na!
Sige.
Ang hirap ng hindi ka nga kalmadaan wala kang siya yung ayos ito. Walang exercises. Para pulay talong.
Ano,
hindi pa na kayo gusto ng tubig? Gusto mo sa tubig?
Ha? Siguro siya isang inharaan. Ha?
Tulog na. Ay, matulog. Ren! Tulya. Saan kaya tulya?
Karen!